Alright guys, I am on my way to give my son a hand. He does landscaping design in a big town near me, and he called me up a few weeks ago, and they got some stumps that need to be dug up on a business here, a dentist office that they're doing some work at, and some other clearing stuff, and he wanted to know if I could bring the tractor out and dig up the stumps in that and do some rough grading for him. So I told him, yep. So I'm heading out there now. We got the Massey on the trailer in the back. So we're going to see how this goes, and hopefully it goes really well. I'll be working off of concrete. The stumps are between two concrete slabs, so I don't know how that's going to go with the roots, but we're going to give it our best shot. All right guys, so what we got right here is we got a stump that is in here that was grinded down but not deep enough, so we're going to have to dig it out and find it. But we also got electrical running through here, so we got to be real careful of that. But we got to get the stump out so they can dig down deep enough to plant their plants. So we're going to scratch around here with the backhoe and see what we can find before I start just burying off in this thing, and see if we can find the stump, the head of the stump first, and start working from there out. All right guys, so we pulled two azalea bushes right here, one right there. This is one of them, the smaller of the two that we pulled up. The other one we had to wreck pretty good to get the root ball out. But we got two issues. We got water, and we got power right here in the red, and we got communications right here in the orange that is running right up underneath these bushes. So we're having to dig just underneath the stump and pull them up and rip them out of the ground, because we don't want to get in, because from what we told, they're only about 18 inches down. So we got one more to go, get it out, and then start working this dirt. All right, that was the bushes that was planted right through here. We took them out, filled it in, leveled it off smooth. They're gonna put these in, and then we're gonna take, and they're gonna put sod all around it. We angled it like this and like that. It was already angled with a natural slope that way. We created a little bit of a slope this way I did with the bucket, in order to drains into the ditches on the sides, so they stay nice and dry, because I got this roof that kicks off a lot of water right into here. So, but that's her. They'll do the plants, and then they'll work it around a little bit with the rake, and that, smoothing it up, leveling it off, and that, and then they'll lay all their sod. Here's where the sign was. We got all our plants planted in the bushes and the two trees. These trees will get about 10 feet tall, 6 foot across. So it'll give a nice shade over all this. We still got some cleanup to do. Once we finish up, we'll come around and do all the cleanup. But it's all planted, all mulched in. We had concrete in there. We had stumps that had to be dug out of there. We also had power, water, and all that we had to watch for. That was very shallow. So this is the dentist office right here in Lake Charles. And then on this side here, this is curbside, and then the opposite side on this end. So, and I will take y'all to the front of the building. All right guys, and this is that front wall. And we got all the plants, they got it all planted up, all the mulch in, all the shrubs. And here before long, we got some work behind this wall. I'll show y'all that when we get done. Almost done. We got work they did behind this wall. Really nice garden. And of course, the Massey. So, all right guys, so I'm gonna take y'all in here and show y'all the little rock garden. The fountains are off right now, but that is a fountain in this big rock right here. As you can see, the hole right here comes out right there, trickles down. So, and they redid all this and planted all the plants through here. And the mulch. This is another fountain. But this is her. But all right, Well, the job is done. We got a little bit of button up to do tomorrow, a little cleaning and that, but for the most part, it is finished. All right, guys, this is the topsoil that was all taken out. A few old plants, but mostly all just topsoil. And my son wasn't sure what to do with it. It is some really good soil, as you can see here. Sandy, nice, I mean rich. So I told him I'd take it. I got some low spots that I can use to fill it in. My wife wants to build a flower bed, so that will do really good for the flower bed and that. So, but you see how I had to load the tractor in order to get this mug on. We had to back it on, and it just fit my my trailer.